All right guys, buckle up because today we're gonna take a tour of the Carrabelle floor plan by Viera Builders. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, just over 2,000 square feet, and one really cool house. Let's take a peek. So first things I want to point out about this floor plan, if you look up, the ceilings are higher here than the rest of the property. And if you look through the property, it goes all the way through and you can see the magnificent patio space that they've built out there. Something else interesting about the Carrabelle is the room to my left or your right is actually a full bedroom with an attached ensuite. Now, typically when you build these properties in different floor plans, it's gonna make this a flex space, which is either gonna be an office or some other dedicated space with a closet. It's very rare to find a bedroom with an attached ensuite in a property with 2,000 square feet. Something else about this floor plan that I think is pretty impressive is the laundry space here. Again, we're dealing with 2,000 square feet, so to have a laundry space this large is impressive. All right, so let's talk about the real dynamic of the Carrabelle. Something very interesting about this floor plan is it has a dedicated dining space. Now, when you look at a floor plan with 2,000 square feet and it has a dedicated dining space, that is quite rare. Typically a 2,000 square foot floor plan is gonna be a giant open space with that open floor concept that people think they love until they have to actually eat in that open space. And it's loud. I love having dining. You guys already know that. Here we are in the kitchen. Something different about the Carrabelle's floor plan is instead of an island that you would see on a lot of Viera Builders floor plans, the Carrabelle actually has a peninsula. Additionally, believe it or not all the floor plans offered by Viera Builders has a pantry. However, the Carrabelle certainly does. So we talked about how the Carrabelle has a dedicated dining space, and essentially what that has done is it's taken a little bit of the square footage away from the rest of the home. So as you can see here, this is the great room or the living room where your television, couch, whatever it is may be, and this is the only space designated for that. So in this space here, we're gonna call it a semi-split plan, meaning on this side is gonna be the primary bedroom, and then on this wing of the property, 2 additional guest rooms and a full bathroom. Now, generally speaking, most of the guest rooms by Viera Builders are gonna be somewhere between a 10 by 10 and a 12 by 12. And this is the primary bedroom. Again, we're working with a little bit more than 2,000 square feet. They have managed to fit in a large primary bedroom, a walk-in closet, and a primary bath with 2 vanities. Now, everything inside is determined by Viera Builders because it's the floor plan that was chosen. However, when we step outside, this is where you, as the person that is building the property, have some options. Now, Viera Builders works with their certain vendors to build pools, and in this instance, this pool and patio space was built by Intercoastal. Now, Intercoastal gives you the options of what kind of material you want on the patio flooring. In this instance, it is a brick paver. They also give you the option of the color of the surface you want on the pool. The material here is called PebbleTech. And when you use PebbleTech, it has an incredible warranty and also a really good selection of different colors that you can choose from. You have the option to add on a spa. You have the option to kind of design the pool to your specs. You have the option to add on a salt cell, a heater, other things that would be a more of a lifestyle choice for you. You also have the options of choosing the size of the screened-in location that you would want. Of course, this is all going to be determined by the setbacks you have on the lot. And lastly, you can take a look at the screen that they have on here. When this pool was built, the people chose to have a panoramic view so that it's not obstructing the water views on this lot. All right, guys, we're finishing out the tour in the porch area. Now, this is a screened-in porch, which some people love in Florida, others don't like. When you look at the front of a house, it's called an elevation. So this is one of the choices of the elevations that Viera Builders offered when you built the Carrabelle. So the Carrabelle was built in Trasona West and was pretty much from the time frame of 2018 to 2020. And Trasona West is currently sold out. So your only option to get a Carrabelle is through a resale. Now, if you really like this floor plan and you do want to build something similar, there's a community called Pangaea Park. And in Pangaea Park, there's 2 floor plans that are very comparable to the Carrabelle, and they are the Finley and the Lexi. And as always, guys, my name is Shane Bergman. I'm your local Viera expert. And if you were thinking about building, you have a house you want to sell, or just more interested in the Viera area, please go ahead and shoot me an email to shane@thebergmangroup.com.